Dumelang landlords, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, we are back with Isita the enemy. Yo, this is sad news. Unfortunately, it's sad news for us that love Ubanzi, right? Ubanzi will unfortunately die this month. Yes, Ubanzi will be dead this month. He is formally or officially exiting Isita the enemy. I think out of everything, what is heartbreaking to me is that Ugai is proposing to Uneli. Ugai is being the right boyfriend slash now fiancé to Uneli. Ugai is showing all the things that he should be showing Uneli. But it looks like he is now going to be no more. So where is he going? We are yet to know, and we are yet to see him in other great TV shows. Ugai has literally played this role perfectly. You know, us knowing him as a Zulu person and now portraying a Swati guy, it was just phenomenal acting, and I honestly really appreciated him every step of the way. Now, where is he going? Also, who will now marry our Nelly? We wish you all the best when in your future endeavors, but we are truly going to miss Ubanzi. And Mina personally, I am not ready for Banzi's funeral because I will be crying like crazy. Please do not forget to do like, share and subscribe. This is your girl Disebo D. I love you. Peace. Bye.